Hi there, Belinda from Hello Cupping. I've decided to give you a few little tips on how to care for your cups and a couple of questions that get often asked at me. So basically, when you are going to start cupping, you need to prep the skin. So obviously we make sure that we take all the our makeup off and we cleanse and we tone, and we are now ready for cupping. You can choose to use an oil or a serum. Oil is very nice as it glides really well, but not everybody's skin likes oil that much. So just be very specific in which kind of oil you choose. There are many oils that help the skin a lot. So just choose one that is beneficial to your skin. Serums are really nice to use as well, but they tend to dry fairly fast on the skin. So then I suggest that you just get a little spritzer and you fill it with water, rose water, colloidal silver, GANs, anything to just keep the serum moist and allow you to glide for a bit longer. Your cupping sessions take between 15 to 25 minutes a session, sometimes can take a bit longer, and I suggest when you first start with cupping that you should look at being quite religious for at least 7 to 10 days. The reasons why we do this is that we actually try to initiate and activate everything that goes on within our skin. So by doing so, we stimulate the lymphatics on a daily basis. We stimulate oxygen, nutrient-rich blood supply and flow to our skin. It helps remove toxins. The lymphatics drain the toxins, and we also help release tension in the muscles, and the body gets quite used to that. So it's almost the same as going to gym. When you go to gym, you do exercises fairly frequently to get to wake the body up and to initiate the action that you're after, and there afterwards you probably start training different muscle groups, and you'll do that with the face. You'll start looking at different concentrated areas. So that is my suggestion, that you would do something like that with your cupping. And then what I would suggest that you do is, once you finish cupping, you have now created an environment that your skin is highly absorbent and it's very hungry and wants nutrient. So this is a great time to put on that extra special little eye cream once you've finished cupping, and any special creams that you have for encouraging collagen. Even though the cupping does do that, if you've got any additional serums that you would like to use, you would put it on after the cupping and allow the skin to just absorb the serums into the skin. It makes it more active and more responsive to where you're wanting to go. So next on the list is then what you would do is you would go then for 2 to 3 times a week, and then look at concentrated areas. What I do in the morning is I always cup in the morning in the shower. It's a quick little perk me up, wake me up, let's activate the skin, let's bring in glow. It immediately assists with lymphatic drainage and gets the lymphatic drainage on the go. And it takes a lot of that puffiness away that we have on early morning rising. The next thing that people would like to know about is how to clean their cups. Okay. I suggest that you clean them after every single use. Lovely boiling hot water, put them in the sun to dry. I would suggest that every so often you would either put them in Milton's or colloidal silver and put them in an autoclave if you've got one, or under ultrasonic light. Because sometimes if you are doing your lip area and you're wanting to encourage plumper lips, you sometimes take a little bit of saliva into the cup, and you don't want to be spreading that saliva and that bacteria should you be somebody prone to acne. You don't want to be cross-contaminating yourself. So just be a little bit cautious of things like that. And if you do, somebody who does suffer from cold sores, you don't want to be dragging that to your eyes. So just be very specific with how you cleanse your cups. Let's have a look. What else were we looking at? I think that's probably about it. So I hope those little tips have helped you, give you a little bit of guidelines and directions on how to work with cups. Bye for now.